Alright, so today I got a Takeda intake and the RR Racing heat shield from Trophy RCF. Thanks bro for sending it to me, and we're gonna install it on my car. So let's do this. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna unclip this, then we're gonna take this out and unplug these. Also take off the covers so I could take this off. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Now we're gonna put this in. I pre-drilled it, not pre-drilled it, but pre-clipped it, so this goes in already. And we're just gonna put this in first. Might be a little bit. There we go. All right, got that clipped on. Everything's still fairly clean. Gotta take off the mat from this. I'll put it on here and make sure the arrows are going the right way. Don't fuck it up. Alright, so I gotta move this over, this thing to here. So I'm gonna loosen these 4 bolts and move it over. Alright, so I'll put the couplers on right there. I'm gonna plug in the MAF sensor back again, and then I'm gonna install it in. Alright, so I installed it. This is what it looks like, and now I'm gonna test to see if the car turns on in case I installed the MAF wrong or something. So let's see. First startup, intake. Will it choke? So far, so good. Louder. All right, cool. So far, all right, so I installed the intake and this is what it looks like. The 2 clamps there and the clamp there. I still got to do the RR Racing heat shield, but I need a longer hose, so I'll save that for another day.